Alright, so today I'm going to work on this 65 12.5 hydrostatic simplicity lawn tractor. The model number is 1691468, serial number 002903. Somewhere in the late 80s tractor. So today I'm going to replace the drive belt. That's why it's up a little bit, so I can work on it a little better. First thing you have to do is take the deck off. There's the deck. I have the wheels off so I can paint them, but the wheels certainly do not have to be off to make this change. The other thing you want to do is make sure that the clutch and brake are engaged. Loosens the belt for you. So the belt is going to be an 84-inch belt. It's a 1/2 inch by 84 inches. And so I'll go through the steps here underneath. Of course, there's no light under here. So step 1, loosen these 2 bolts. That'll remove this guard. And you can see the belt runs through there. The guides hold it in place, but if you drop this, loosen this a little bit, it comes off here. And you can just pull the belt right out. So the belt goes around that pulley up there. You need to take that off as well, and actually is going to come all the way down and around that pulley. It's not the best camera work in the world, but it'll have to do. So back here, you'll loosen this up, and then back behind there's a bolt you need to undo to get the belt, because the belt's right here. Get the belt past this. There's also a guide back here by the transmission. You can see that right here. And the belt does not go through that because there's a little, it's like a little U right here. The belt does not go through it, it goes on the inside of that, right there on the inside. So once you get this stuff loosened up, you take it off around the fan back there on the pulley and pull it out. But that's the steps. Once I get a few things loosened up, I'll get some more video. Alright, so these are loosened up. You just slide the belt past it, sorta, like that. And actually, sorry, you got to take this whole thing off. Make sure you keep that stuff in order. This comes off. A couple of washers going to come with it. And this just comes off like that. Another washer somewhere. and the belt comes out. So now I need to loosen this and undo the bolt back there that I can't really get video of. But I'll loosen that up and get right back to you. Alright, so now this is loosened. This is off of that little, there's a nut that goes through, well, it goes through here and the nut goes on top. But best way to do it is get a long extension socket and go from underneath or up top there. So I have my impact wrench and a half inch wrench here, and from up top I got my long extended socket and wrench and just popped it off there. So now the belt should slide past. The belt should slide past. It needs to go. I don't know. I think I'm going to just take this whole thing off. I don't know. I mean, it'll slide past here. And that should get me home. I just gotta work it around that fan back there. Work it off that pulley and around the fan and then pull it out. So see if I can get that done. I'll be right back. Okay. So you need to take both sides of this belt and pass it past this right here. Past the sorry, this is past the one side. Get the other side, pass that through as well. And you can pull the whole belt right out. There you have it. Kind of goes like that. You're gonna have to stick the new belt right back through like that. There's a guide here. Take it out like that. And then drop it down over the pulley, I believe. Okay. And so it looks like you got to get past this rod as well, because there's no way to get it past that. So I'll take that off and run it through there. So we'll be back. Alright, so disconnected it. There is some spring tension on it. So when you want to, first of all, I took the brake off, take less tension off of it, and then you just kind of hold, push forward, rotate that a little bit so that goes forward and relieves the tension. Then you can pull out of the hole and run the belt around it and out. So the belt is now out. And we can fish the new one through and tighten everything back up. So let's get started on that. Alright, so I fished it through there. Belt's got to go up and over that. Obviously I connected this back up already, but that's got to come out. Belt's got to go around. Drop it under the bottom pulley, wrap it up and over, and let it sit below the pulley for now, because you're going to need all that length to get it around the fan pulley and all that back there. So, but you definitely need to do this side first, because you got to pull way down below that. So now I'm ready to fish it back through there. Alright, so I fished it through back there. I don't know, it's kind of a funny way to do it. You gotta push the belt through here, but then the belt has to come back. One side of the belt has to come back underneath this and past that, and then up here. Alright, so I've taken everything is lined up. It's on the pulley back there, on the pulley up here. Taking the brake off and just check my tension. It's pretty good. It's not super tight, but it's not loose where it's just laying there. It's firm. Pass through there like it's supposed to. So that is the right length. Just want to double check that before I put everything back together. So now just tighten everything up and that'll be it. So I guess that's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks again.